Hello and welcome to the Joy of Cooking. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar and today I'll be showing you all 7 ice cream recipes. It's a summer special ice creams. In that I'll be showing you 7 different ice cream recipes. Choco chip ice cream. For that, first of all we require choco chips, 1/3 cup of choco chips, milk chocolate, whipped cream 1 cup, then 60 ml condensed milk, 1.5 tablespoon milk, hot milk and 1.5 tablespoon cocoa powder and powdered sugar 40 ml. Then in this 1.5 tablespoon hot milk I will add 1.5 tablespoon of cocoa powder and then give it a whisk. Now we will require about 1 to 2 teaspoon of hot milk again so that the cocoa dissolves completely in this milk and it looks like this. Now to this milk and cocoa mixture I will add powdered sugar little by little. I am using 40 ml cup for the powdered sugar. Add it little by little and mix this well so that the sugar dissolve completely. It is powdered sugar so it will require less time. And this is how it's ready. Now in a mixing bowl I will take condensed milk which is chilled. It's 60 ml of condensed milk. To it I will add the cocoa mixture which is at the room temperature now. And then whisk it nicely. Let it combine well. To this I will add whipped cream. This is whipped cream already and it's chilled. When the stiff peaks appear, that's the consistency of the whipped cream. Now mix it gently and let it combine well. So once it's combined like this, we will add the choco chips. I'm using about 1/3 cup of choco chips. We'll also require some more for serving. Okay. Once combined well, I will transfer this mixture in an airtight container. Tap the container and then top it with some choco chips. This is optional. Then seal it properly, cover the box and then freeze it overnight. After about 8 to 10 hours, this is how our ice cream is ready. So I will scoop out the ice cream. The texture will be a little soft and creamy because of the whipped cream. And that's exactly what we want. So scoop out as per serving. Perfect. So this is how our choco chip ice cream is ready. Strawberry ice cream. So to make the fresh strawberry ice cream we require finely chopped strawberries, condensed milk, fresh cream, strawberry crush and milk. So first in a large mixing bowl I'll take condensed milk 80 ml which is chilled. It's very important. So 80 milliliters of condensed milk. To this I will add 1 tablespoon of milk. This is boiled milk and which is at the room temperature right now. And I am going to give it a good whisk. This combine nicely, become a homogeneous mixture and it should be runny. Perfect. It's the pouring consistency. To this I will add fresh cream, 250 milliliters. The fresh cream should also be chilled. It's very important that the condensed milk and fresh cream are chilled. Whisk it nicely. Once everything is combined well, to this we'll add our other ingredients. It's perfect now. So I'll add strawberry crush, 30 milliliters of strawberry crush, readily available in the market. And you can see while I'm whisking it, it turns into blushing pink. Perfect. And now to this I will add finely chopped strawberries. Half cup of strawberries, finely chopped. And now I'm going to mix it nicely and gently. I'll transfer this mixture into an airtight container. So take every bit of it. Lovely. We are going to deep freeze it for about 8 to 10 hours or until it's set properly. So cover it with the lid and deep freeze it. So now after 8 hours this is ready. I'll open the lid and wow, it's looking amazing. Time to scoop the ice cream. So take a scoop and generously scoop out the yummy ice cream. Into our lovely serving bowls. It's looking yummy. So this is how our everyone's favorite fresh strawberry ice cream is ready. Guava ice cream or Peru ice cream. We require guavas chopped, then condensed milk, fresh cream, milk powder, powdered sugar, red chili powder and salt. So first in a mixer jar I'll take the guava and add powdered sugar to it. I'll blend it and I want the seeds in the pulp for the texture. Then in another mixing bowl I'll take fresh cream. Make sure the cream and the condensed milk are chilled. I'll mix the condensed milk and fresh cream together. Whisk it nicely. And they should be super chilled while whisking it. Then I will add to it the guava pulp. It's 1 cup of guava pulp. And I'll mix it. Now to whisk it nicely and vigorously, I have just transferred it in another bowl. And I will keep whisking it till it combines nicely. So now I will add the milk powder to it. Check the description box for the quantities of the ingredients. Yes, now after whisking it nicely at this consistency, I'll just transfer it in the airtight container evenly. So take every bit of the ice cream. Yeah, and then spread it evenly. Tap the box like this and then cover it nicely, seal it nicely, and then once done, put it in the refrigerator and freeze it overnight. So this is how it looks. As I said, there are some chunks and seeds in the ice cream, but that's for the texture. And now I have just scooped them out and I am adding the chili powder and salt to it like this on the top for much nice flavor of the ice cream. So yeah, this is how the guava ice cream is ready. Coffee ice cream. We require 1 cup fresh cream, 3/4 cup condensed milk, 1.5 teaspoon of instant coffee powder. So in the mixing bowl, I will take the instant coffee powder. To this, I'll be adding about 1 tablespoon of warm water. Mix it well and make sure the coffee powder dissolves in the water. So once it's done, to this I will add chilled condensed milk, 3/4 cup. And combine everything well. Once it's combined, to this I will add fresh cream, 1 cup. Make sure the condensed milk and the fresh cream are chilled and combine everything well. Perfect. Now I'll transfer this into an airtight container. And we're going to deep freeze it for about 8 to 10 hours. So once the ice cream is set, it looks like this, and we're going to scoop it out. Perfect. So this is how our coffee ice cream is ready. Mango ice cream. For that, in a chilled bowl, I'll take fresh cream, 250 grams. The cream is also chilled. And I'm going to whisk it nicely so that there are no lumps. Once the cream is nice and smooth in texture, I will add the condensed milk to it. 325 grams of condensed milk. The condensed milk is also chilled. This is very important. And combine well till it becomes a homogeneous mixture. Keep whisking. And once the fresh cream and the condensed milk are combined, I will add the mango pulp or mango puree to it. I am using fresh mango puree, about 600 grams, or you may use 4 to 5 small sized mangoes, or 3 to 4 medium sized. Make a smooth puree out of it and then whisk it nicely into the mixture. So with just 3 ingredients, we are going to make the tasty mango ice cream. Once it's combined well, you may directly deep freeze it, but here I prefer to add mango cubes. So I'm using about half cup of mango cubes and mix it well. And now after mixing it well, I am going to transfer this mixture into the airtight containers. I am using 2 containers, but you may use just 1. Perfect. And then tap the containers a little so that they spread evenly, the mixture spreads evenly, and then we are going to seal it properly. Make sure it's sealed properly. Perfect. Now we are going to deep freeze it for about 8 to 10 hours or until the ice cream is set. Now once the ice cream has set after 10 hours, I will scoop out the ice cream and serve it. So scoop out the ice cream generously and our mango ice cream is ready. Strawberry cheesecake ice cream. So let's start. For that we require half cup of cream cheese, half cup of condensed milk and 1 tablespoon of strawberry crush. So first in a mixing bowl, I will take half cup of condensed milk. Make sure it's chilled. And then to it, I will add the chilled cream cheese. Half cup, and then whisk it nicely. Make a homogeneous mixture. Perfect. To this, I will add 1 tablespoon of strawberry crush. And then whisk it nicely. So just 3 ingredients. Perfect. Now transfer this into an airtight container, and then we're going to deep freeze it for up to 8 to 10 hours. After 8 hours, this is ready. So I'll scoop out the strawberry cheesecake ice cream. Oreo ice cream. For that, in a mixing bowl, a chilled mixing bowl, I will take 100 grams of fresh cream, with the help of the electric blender, I am going to whisk it or blend it nicely. You may use the normal whisk, or even a spoon will do it. The fresh cream is chilled. Perfect. Once it's nice and smooth, to this 100 grams of fresh cream, I will add 200 grams of condensed milk. Chilled condensed milk. And again whisk it nicely. Let it become a nice homogeneous mixture. Blend it on high. Perfect. To this mixture, I will add coarsely crushed Oreo biscuits. I am using 5 to 6 Oreo biscuits. I have coarsely crushed them or grinded them. And now we will mix it with the help of the spoon. So combine everything well. Let it get combined well. This is very important. And once it's combined well, I will transfer this into an airtight container or the ice cream container. Transfer every bit of it. It's very important. Can't waste the ice cream. And then tap the container. Now we are going to deep freeze it for about 8 to 10 hours. With the lid on. And after 10 hours, our ice cream is ready. I'll scoop it out, and this is how our Oreo ice cream is ready. This is how our 7 easy ice cream recipes are ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel, The Joy of Cooking. Hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Happy summers!